Today I'll be teaching you how to do Django, like how to set up the framework and stuff like that. Uh, Assume that I you have already installed Python. Open command. It'll take some time. So after opening command, what you have to do is since pip is already installed, just type pip install Django. So this will download some files and make sure connected to the internet. Download some files and install it. Since I already have this installed in my PC, it's going to show requirement already satisfied. The next thing that Django makes us flexible is that it creates the whole framework that we're going to work with, and just makes our work so much easier and smoother. Next up, we need to create environment variables. So environment variable is such thing that the system directly knows we have to search from so and so path in order to get the job, not to find the files that do the job. For that, we're gonna set the environment variable for the Python as well as Django. Go to search and type environment variables. It's environment. Yep, the first one. Click it and wait. Come on. Okay, it's here. Let me bring it here. Okay, go to environment variables and go to path. Okay, and so you can see here that I already have done this in cap. So I have copied the directory of my Python. So see where your Python is installed or installed at a particular location, copy its script folder path and put it here. All you like, you don't know, this will do you. Click new and paste the path. That's it. Okay, and don't forget to click OK. So I'm closing it here. That's it. Now I'll close everything. Now I will teach you how to create a project, as create the Django framework project. uh, for that, you're going to type a command. It's called just a minute. So in order to go ahead, it's going to be Django admin.py, and it's going to be Django admin.py. Create start project. I named it as work manager, so you can see the Django admin.py start project work manager. So this would have created a folder and with some files, Python files in it. See, so this is the folder how it looks. Okay, it'll have settings, users, URLs, and stuff like that. Next up is we have to create an application. So the application is the one that contains the HTMLs, the views, and how it interacts with the database and everything. The work manager is, it just manages how it interacts with the server. Okay, that's how, like, it's the intermediate thing. To create our application, we're going to give manage.py start app. So you can name whatever you want. Now I'll make it as, since it's a work manager, I'll give it as task manager. Okay. Oh, I got an error. Not recognized. Okay, so this, okay. Since I didn't mention the file name, okay, the directory name, it's in my user, but we have to target it inside the work manager folder where manage.py file is present. So you can see the manage.py file. So go to there. I'm gonna go to shortcut cmd and press enter. So this will open a command with this as the path. And okay, I close the and now what I've done is manage.py start app task manager. That's it, and press enter. So yeah, it'll take some time to create it. Okay, now let me just show you. Yep, it's done. Okay, so it has created a application inside the work manager project, so you can create as many applications as much as you want. So you can also use editors, like you can use VS Code, Sublime Text to deal with the project as a whole. I prefer Sublime Text. So open Sublime Text, install it and open it. Go to file, open folder, and remember the path where you created it. I did it in users, Sunil, and yeah, it's down there, work manager. That's it. I'm gonna select the work manager folder. Don't come inside here. Select the work manager, which is the over behind it. That is the folder. And select folder, and yep. So here we have it. I'm gonna close the old one. Okay, finish. Now this is the framework. Okay, work manager is the project, task manager is the application, and you have URLs manage, and here, okay, you have views. Init.py is the thing that initializes or interconnects everything. Okay, so I'll teach this whole framework in the next video. I'll explain what each and every file does in detail, so you can have a clear basics of how to deal with this thing. Okay, yeah, so this is going to be pretty much it. Also, I have something to do. Okay, so this is the manage.py file. This will manage literally the whole project that we are doing. And next up, we're going to go to settings.py and make the debug as true. Okay, where is the debug? Okay, here it is. So you have to set this as true so that Django knows we are developing something. So while testing, you can set it as false. Okay, so while testing, like you have to test on an environment, or like when deployment testing, something like that, you can set it as false. But right now it's going to be true, since we need the error messages. We need to know where we're going wrong. Okay, if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe for more. I'm going to put